Yo, what's up guys, Ruben here from IDHBMX, and today I'm going to be unboxing this package that just came through with a few parts in it, so let's go. Alright, first up, I got some S&M holder grips, because my other one's ripped and these are supposed to be really good, so yeah, I got those. I got a spoke key, because my spokes are really loose, so I need to tighten them soon. An animal seat post. Sorry, not a seat post, seat clamp, because I don't know, I just need one of them. Alright. A new stranger seat. It's the high vis seat. I need one of these because at the moment I'm riding this, which is basically just a stock seat, and it sucks so much, so super stoked I got this. I'll just try to get this off. Anyway, and this was meant to be a Merit pivotal polished seat post, but it's BSD, but that's all good. They just got the wrong brand. Doesn't really matter. Anyway, got that for the new seat, so yeah. So yeah, just got a few new things. That's all. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.